Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. So glad you could join me today right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess, and today we're going to do a reading day and how you can practice your fluency. And I'm going to show you a way that I like to do it because I am trying to learn some Spanish. So come on. If today is your first day, we do English lessons, Americanisms, and reading all wrapped up. Sometimes we make fun of the English language in good humor and how crazy the pronunciations are or grammar or sayings are. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe. Or if you want to see less, but you think, well, I don't have this much time, I'm on TikTok at English Makes No Sense, Instagram at English Makes No Sense, Facebook at English Makes No Sense, and I'm going to be on Clubhouse every once in a while doing English Makes No Sense chat rooms. But on English at Clubhouse, I'm on ENG Makes No Sense because there's not enough characters. So I should put that in my bio. But come on, man, join me. Here we go. So today, we're going to do how we practice fluency by reading a book. Maria had a little llama. Or, now, here's the best part of this book. I didn't even know it when I picked it up. I just liked the cover. I was like, hey, instead of Mary had a little lamb, we could have Maria had a little llama. But Maria tenía una llamita. It's got Spanish and English. So I'm going to do both and show you how this works, how to practice, because I'm going to practice my Spanish. Okay? Here we go. Maria had a little llama. Maria tenía una llamita. Angela Dominguez. Yeah. Way to go, Angela. I love the art in this book. A mí me gusta. I don't know how to say art. Okay. Maria had a little llama. Maria tenía una llamita. See, practicing my Spanish. Those of you who speak Spanish, leave me a comment if you think I'm like, you need to work on this, because I like to hear. That's how we learn. If you hear from people and they tell us what we need to work on. Okay? Whose fleece was white as snow, cuya lana era tan blanca como la nieve. La nieve? Tengo mucha la nieve in my house, en su casa, afuera. And everywhere that Maria went, y a donde Maria iba, the llama was sure to go. La llama la seguía. Look at that. I like the artwork in here. He followed her to school one day. Un día la siguió a la escuela. See, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. Siguió. Un día la siguió a la escuela. And that's what we do. We stop and look and practice it. Like, he followed her to school one day. Oh, way to go, llama. Look at the artwork. I feel like I'm in Peru. I want to get to Peru. Hola, Peru. That was against the rules. Eso iba contra las reglas. Uh-oh. It made the children laugh and play to see a llama at school. Los niños rieron y jugaron al ver una llama en la escuela. I don't think I did a good job on that one, so let me practice again. First in English. It made the children laugh and play to see a llama at school. Los niños rieron y jugaron al ver una llama en la escuela. ¿Jugaron o jugaron? Yo no sé. The teacher had to send him out. La maestra tuvo que mandarla afuera. No llamas en la escuela. No llamas at school. But still he lingered near and waited patiently about. Here's a great word if you're just learning English, or if you're a kid and you're like, I don't know what that means, or if you're an adult and you don't know what that means. He lingered near and waited patiently about. What do you think the lingered mean? He's being patient and he's waiting. So he just kind of hang around, lingering. Let's try this. I don't know. This big word in Spanish, I'm going to try. Pero ella se quedó cerca esperando pacientemente. I got to practice that one. Patiently. Pacientemente. Oh, I'm getting closer. See, that's how we practice our fluency. For Maria to appear. La que apareciera Maria. Apareciera Maria. Apareciera Maria. For Maria to appear. Now, if you see this word and you go, well, that's pear. P-E-A-R. But up here is long E. You got to practice those. Why does the llama love Maria so? The eager children cried. Maria loves the llama, you know, the teacher did reply. Now, here's a big one, okay? ¿Por qué la llama quiere tanto a María? Preguntaron ansiosamente los niños. Porque María quiere mucho a la llama, la maestra respondió. I feel a little more comfortable. How do you feel about reading? The end. Fin. Ta-da! I like this book for 2 reasons. 1, the artwork is great. And it's English and Spanish. So I can practice Spanish and you can practice English, or you can practice Spanish and English. See? Dual purposes. I know, that was my first bilingual attempt. And let me know what you think. Like I say, practice your fluency by reading kids' books. I do it all the time in Espanol. You can do it in English or any language you are trying to learn. Thank you so much for being here today, and I hope you had a good time. I know I did. Check me out again. If you don't like what today was, there's lots of videos below. Thanks, friends. Peace.